This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Marilene Oliveira. Welcome to this beautifully updated home in the highly desirable Oak Forest neighborhood. Step inside to a spacious open floor plan that embraces warmth and comfort, perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. The formal living and dining areas flow seamlessly, while the cozy family room features a wood-burning fireplace and striking vaulted ceilings, ideal for relaxing or hosting guests. The spacious layout offers a generous primary suite with a large walk-in closet and a fully renovated ensuite bathroom. 2 additional bedrooms add flexibility for guests, family, or a home office. Ideally located just down the street from Tomoka State Park, blocks from the Intracoastal Waterway, and minutes from vibrant downtown Ormond Beach, this home offers the perfect blend of tranquility and convenience. Recent upgrades include a brand new air conditioner system, 2024, and a roof installed in 2015, ensuring comfort and long-term value. Whether you're looking to unwind, entertain, or explore the natural beauty of the area, this home is ready to welcome you. For more information, review